All right, once again, we're going to look at another perimeter problem, if you don't mind. Okay, so I'm going to write it up here. P is equal to 2L plus 2W. All right, and in this case, we're given P is equal to 200 meters, and L is 3 times the width. L is 3 times the width. Okay, so we want to solve for, we're going to want to solve for W and L. Right, so we need to find the width and the length of this rectangle. Now, this one right here, we're going to need to write some kind of relationship mathematically, and I think I'll just do it right up here. So remember, is means equals, so L equals 3 times the width. So there's the relationship between L and W. Between L and W, that's the relationship. So now we can get everything in terms of W in our equation. All right, we're going to try to get everything in terms of W here. So we know that the perimeter is 200 meters. We'll leave off the units right now. And L, we're going to substitute L. We got 3W, so we're going to put 3W in here. Right, so we're going to move that L out because we know that L is equal to 3W plus 2W. All right. So now we have an equation that's in terms of one variable, and we can solve for W. So let's do that. So this is 6W plus 2W, right, is all equal to 200. Now we have like terms. Remember, these are like terms right here. So we can add their coefficients. 6, 7, 8W is equal to 200. All right, multiplying both sides by 1/8, we end up with 200 over 8 is equal to W, and of course we can reduce that down. 200 over 8 is, what is that? 200 over 8. I guess, I believe it's 25. Does anybody know the answer on that? Let's see, 8 is 40, 16, and 4 is 200, yep. Okay, so it looks like W is 25. Now, since we know W is 25, we got this relationship, L is equal to 3 times W. Right, and so L is equal to 75. Right, L is equal to 75, and W is equal to 25. So we're going to sketch this out, probably not to scale. So we'll say this is L and this is W. Okay. So I remember when I was first learning this stuff, this guy right here was the one that tripped me up more than anything. Alright, and those are going to be getting a little bit more complicated. I'm going to make sure of that. I didn't use any colors. Should have used some colors. Okay. All right, pretty simple. See you in the next problem.